Maquiladoras are one of the greatest resources for global manufacturers producing products for the lucrative US and Canadian market. The QualiFind Group is the Maquiladoras industry's best resource for finding the talent maquiladora operations need to succeed.
To be clear, a maquiladora is a manufacturing plant in Mexico that imports its raw materials from a country like the United States or Germany, processes them in such a way as to add value, and then exports them back to the US or other countries for sale.
As a border site, this is super important for us as an organization to be able to have someone to help us, to hire correct person who can support the customer in the north and also understand the culture of the south.
The QualiFind Group has been recruiting specialists to managerial level talent for client organizations within Mexico's maquiladora industry since 1999. Our recruiters have collectively placed key talent for our clients in every industrial city in Mexico, as well as many industrial cities in other parts of Latin America.
The maquiladora industry includes virtually every type of product made and sold today, and the QualiFind Group has supported virtually every industry in existence. These include aerospace, automotive, building materials, consumer products, electronics, healthcare and medical devices, machinery and equipment, residential and commercial hardware, among many, many others. A maquiladora operations needs for technical and professional talent are as varied as any manufacturing organization, and the QualiFind Group has supported the recruitment process for virtually every function in a maquiladora, from accounting and finance to engineering, trade and regulatory compliance, operations, supply chain and logistics, to human resources. We've sourced, screened, and assessed key talent to solve every functional area of a maquiladora operation. Location is no constraint for us. We have recruiters and research staff throughout Mexico to support your needs regardless of where your maquila is located. So if you're responsible for strategic hiring for your organization's maquiladora, then you owe it to yourself to learn more about how our experience and service can be a resource for you.